Your cat is sprawled across the kitchen tiles like a discarded rug because the summer sun is absolutely relentless. You see them panting. You see them searching for any cold surface to press their belly against. That is exactly why these cooling mats are blowing up on every social media feed you scroll through. The Kittra Cooling Mat is the one everyone is talking about lately. It looks like a simple padded square, but there is a lot of tech inside that blue fabric. It relies on a pressure-activated gel formula. This is the part that sounds like science fiction. You do not have to plug it into a wall. You do not have to clear out a spot in your freezer between the frozen pizzas and the ice cream. The cooling happens naturally when your pet actually sits down. Their body weight triggers the gel to start absorbing heat. It pulls the warmth right out of their skin and into the mat itself. This lowers their body temperature just enough to make them comfortable. It is a functional pet accessory. It is definitely not a scam. However, we have to talk about those viral videos that make this thing look like a portable air conditioner. You have seen the ones where people point a laser thermometer at the mat, and it shows a massive drop in temperature. Those clips are heavily exaggerated for the sake of views. This mat is not going to feel like a block of ice. It provides a subtle, steady cooling sensation. It is more like the cool side of a silk pillowcase. It is refreshing for a cat that is covered in a thick layer of fur. If you go into this expecting a magical refrigeration device, you will be disappointed. You also have to consider the personality of your cat. Some cats think every new object in the house is a personal challenge. If your cat has claws like tiny daggers and loves to shred everything in sight, you have a problem. The outer fabric is durable for normal use, but it is not armor. A persistent chewer or an aggressive scratcher will eventually puncture the surface. If that inner gel starts leaking out, the mat is effectively ruined. Even though the gel is labeled as non-toxic, a leaky mat is a mess nobody wants to deal with on a Tuesday afternoon. It is a worthwhile purchase if you want to give your pet a dedicated spot to cool down without the noise of a loud floor fan. Most cats will be hesitant at first. The texture is a bit squishy and strange compared to a plush bed. You might need to place it in their favorite corner to get them to try it out. Once they feel that heat leaving their body, they usually become fans of the mat. It is a simple solution for a specific problem. It is about comfort and safety during those heat waves that make the air feel like thick soup. Do not buy into the hype that it will turn your living room into a winter wonderland. It is just a smart, gel-filled pad that helps your furry friend regulate their temperature when the house gets a bit too stuffy. It does its job well enough without needing any electricity or maintenance. Just keep the claws trimmed and keep your expectations grounded in reality. It is a solid tool for the right situation. Your cat will thank you for the relief. Just remember that it is a pad, not a miracle. It handles the heat so you do not have to worry as much. It is a practical way to keep them from overheating. No magic tricks. No huge electric bills. Just a cool spot for a nap.